Just to clarify, is there something I can help you with?
Yeah, so I was wondering, do you still give out those little courtesy vouchers for stuff like this? Just to, make up little inconvenience?
The voucher hunters. They've mastered the art, they've done this before. A little hiccup, they flood support. They write complaints like it's a train and ask for perks that don't seem sane.
And while I was waiting for it to load, my cat walked across my keyboard and deleted my Spotify playlist. Can you believe that? I'm sure that never would have happened if your site had loaded faster. I think I deserve a voucher for the inconvenience.
Just to clarify, everything you ordered arrived on time, right?
Yes, it did. But as I said, the fries were not piping hot. I mean, they were warm, but not hot. Your website took forever to load. Last time something went wrong, I got a voucher to make up for it. If you could do the same this time for me, please.
They've played this game a time or 10, turned little things into remember when. They smile, they flatter, they keep it light, but they're here to score with all their might.
Thanks for sharing that. With delivery, fries might not always arrive super hot because of traffic and things beyond our control. But could you give me the order number and full name so I can pull up your account?
Sure, it's 3449. Tabitha Ratchet is my full name.
Thank you. Give me one moment.
Yeah, I'd really appreciate any effort from you to make up for it. This was such a hassle, and I've been your loyal customer for years now.
The loyal customer card, oh, what a play. She knows that phrase can save the day. It's not the glitch she's here to fix. She's fishing for perks with clever tricks. But hold on a second, don't take the bait. Check the records, investigate.
Thanks. From what I see here, we have issued 3 vouchers last week, so we have reached a cap. To be transparent with you, I will not be able to issue one today.
Wait, what? I refreshed 6 times, restarted my router, questioned my entire Wi-Fi setup. I even yelled at my brother for hogging bandwidth, and I got nothing to show for it, not even a $10 voucher.
I would love to toss you a mini one, Tabitha, just for yelling at your brother, but yeah, we are officially out of vouchers. We're tapped out for now.
Dang it. Okay, well, I guess I'll survive. Barely, but I'll survive. All right, have a great day then.
In this brief call, the mood stayed light. A gentle laugh, no need to fight. She smiled and softly said goodbye. No bitterness, just a quiet sigh. But picture this, a different possibility, where instead of humor, there's hostility. She blocks out every friendly sign and lets her bitter color shine.
Wow, so you're really not going to make this right. You just lost a loyal customer, do you know that? Well, 1 star coming right up, that's for sure.
Not every call will end with yes. Sometimes you'll deal with stress and mess. When customers step beyond the line, you hold your ground and keep your spine.
I get your frustration, but as per our policy, we've reached the voucher limit on your account. I want to help, I really do, but I cannot make an exception in this particular case.
Are you serious? That sounds like a made-up excuse. Claire gave me a voucher last week, no questions asked. She didn't say anything about these so-called caps, and honestly, I was just about to place an order right now, but if you're going to be this stingy about it, I might as well order from Wendy's instead.
Tabitha, when we started this call, I asked for your order number, and I checked your account because honestly, I was ready to give you a voucher. You have been with us since 2015, and that's no small thing, but as a business, we do have limits, and the system just is not going to let me issue another one right now.
You're not a doormat, don't play the part. You've got a voice, a brain, a heart. Speak your truth, it's not a crime, especially when she's crossed the line.
Oh, wow. Okay, so I guess being a loyal customer since 2015 does not count anymore. Good to know. I'll make sure to remember that the next time I feel like supporting a place that is clearly ruled by the system. But hey, thanks for checking at least. Super helpful.
I'm sorry you feel that way. My goal is to assist you within what's allowed, and the voucher cap on your account does not allow me to do that. Let me know if there's anything else I can help you with today.
Well, honey, I hope that policy keeps you warm at night because I'm sure no one else will.
Okay.
And so what if she drops 1 star? Think you'd get 5 by saying yes ma'am? Some folks just love to blame and yell, making chaos their personal hell. Draw the line, speak what's fair, no one should take more than their share.